Welcome to Car in 3 Minutes and welcome to our review of the new Opel Astra GSE, the latest addition to Opel's popular compact car lineup. The Astra GSE is designed for drivers who crave a sporty driving experience and a modern look, without sacrificing the practicality and versatility that the Astra is known for. Let's start with the design. The Astra GSE has a bold and modern look that sets it apart from the regular Astra models. It features unique front and rear bumpers, 18-inch alloy wheels, and black exterior accents that give it a sleek and sporty look. Inside, the Astra GSE has a sporty and modern interior with plenty of space and comfort. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. The back seat has ample room for 3 adults, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for even taller passengers. The Astra GSE also offers plenty of cargo space, with up to 422 liters of cargo space with the rear seats up. This makes it an excellent choice for families who need to carry a lot of stuff, whether it's groceries, sports equipment, or luggage. Under the hood, the Astra GSE comes with a hybrid engine. It produces 225 horsepower combined. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive shifts. It provides plenty of power and efficiency, and they're well suited for city and highway driving. Speaking of driving, the Astra GSE offers a dynamic and engaging driving experience, with precise steering and agile handling. It's easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and it's also comfortable and smooth on the highway. The suspension is sport-tuned for a more engaging driving experience, and the brakes are strong and responsive. Finally, let's talk about the suitability of the Astra GSE for families. The Astra has always been a popular choice for families, and the GSE is no exception. It offers plenty of space, comfort, and versatility, along with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The Astra GSE is a great choice for families who want a practical and versatile car that also offers a sporty and fun-to-drive experience. That concludes our review of the new Opel Astra GSE. Overall, we're impressed with the modern and sporty design, the spacious and comfortable interior, and the dynamic driving experience. Whether you're looking for a family car or a sporty daily driver, the Astra GSE is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.